Hi, my name is Oscar Castaneda. I'm an immigration attorney and owner of Castaneda Immigration Law, a Phoenix-based immigration law firm. Today I'd like to talk to you a little bit about the K-1 visa, or fiance visa. This is a temporary visa that's offered to foreign nationals who are engaged to a U.S. citizen. The U.S. citizen can petition so that their fiance is allowed to enter the country for a period of 90 days, during which the marriage has to occur, and after which the national can become a legal permanent resident. The K-1 visa process is a complicated and lengthy one, and in fact has some very strict requirements. Number one, the petitioner must be a U.S. citizen. In other words, if you're a legal permanent resident married to a foreign national, you cannot get a K-1 visa for your fiance. Number two, the petitioner has to have met the foreign national fiance in person at least once over the last 2 years. And finally, the marriage itself has to take place within 90 days of the issuance of the visa. After 90 days, the visa is no longer valid. The process itself is actually a three-part process. The first part is filing the petition with USCIS. The U.S. citizen petitioner files a petition on behalf of the foreign national fiance, and the USCIS determines whether they will approve it or not. If they do approve it, you move on to step two, where the National Visa Center gets the approved petition and then transfers it over to the consulate or embassy of the home country of the foreign national fiance. This is where the process gets more involved. The consulate will review your documents and determine whether they are sufficient, and then schedule an interview. During the interview, the foreign national is going to be questioned regarding a wide variety of matters. One of the main things that are asked is regarding the legitimacy of the relationship. Immigration officials want to make sure that this relationship is legitimate and not for the purposes of somebody gaining legal status. So the interview can be very involved, and officials have a few tricks up their sleeves in trying to trip up people. So it's important in these types of cases that preparation is done correctly and completely. Finally, after the interview, if you're approved, while entering the country, you're going to have one final inspection from Customs and Border Protection, who will make a determination if there are any illegalities or other reasons why you shouldn't be let in the country. Now, once you're in the United States, as I previously mentioned, you have 90 days to get married. If you get married, then you can adjust the status of your fiancé immediately afterwards. If you don't, then the visa is no longer valid and your fiancé is here illegally. At Castaneda Law, we handle various types of K-1 visas from people from all different countries. We've been successful in bringing people here to get married and then getting them their adjustment of status. Give us a call, we can help you. Our number is 602-560-3131. Once again, 602-560-3131.